I think often when we're editing our closet, we've sort of framed it as an exercise to upgrade and update our closet, which is true, but sometimes it's literally about clearing stuff out. And here's what I mean. I want us to abandon the idea that whatever we get rid of in our wardrobe, we also need to replace. Let me give you a quick example. I had a client who had a ton of silk blouses in her wardrobe. She would wear them to work. She would sometimes wear them to dinner with jeans, but now her job was less corporate and she never wore them. So we just edited all of them out. Not only had she not touched these blouses in over a year, they also didn't excite her. They were not something that she wanted to wear. And as we were editing them out of the closet, we were getting them out of there. The next question that she asked is a very common question. She asked if she should replace these silk blouses with some other silk blouses that were maybe more modern. The answer is no. You're editing these out because you don't wear silk blouses. They do not have a space in your life, and therefore they do not need to be taking up space in your wardrobe. So if we replace them with other silk blouses, even if they felt more modern, that's still just creating another category that's going to remain unworn. Now, in a few months, if this client is feeling like she needs an updated silk blouse, we can revisit that then. But the point of the closet clean out or the closet edit is not to just quickly replace the things that we're getting rid of. It's to give us some space and some clarity. Because if you think about it, when these blouses are out of her closet, this will not affect her getting dressed process at all. Even though they were hanging in the closet, they actually weren't even an option because she hadn't worn them in years and she didn't want to. So think about it like this. You're not suddenly working with less options, even though you have less pieces in your wardrobe. You're actually working with more clarity and a more succinct wardrobe. I actually like that. That sounded smart, actually. Think about closet editing not as having less options, but as having more space and more clarity.